Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for sidegigcrafts. Tanya is celebrating her 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I will be sure to link her channel down below. For her challenge, she's requesting 10 sentiment die cuts, an ATC or Memdex, and you could also do a crafter's choice and be a subscriber. All of her requirements will be in her video and you can go check her out. This is the project that I'm sending her way. I have decided to send flat mail. I went with a watermelon theme. On the inside, I have a little note for her. This is the memory dex card that I am sending her way. And I have included my information on the back. I made a little pocket in the bottom for it to fit in. These are the die cuts that are one of the requirements. And what I did was I just used some removable tacky tape so that these didn't get all stuck together. But here's the first one. That's the second one. And then we have these. And then I will just seal up this little cellophane bag right before I ship it. Up here, I decided for my crafter's choice to make a Twinchie that matches my memory dex card. On both projects, the watermelon is from the Cricut cartridge. I think it's Doodle Charms, and that's the watermelon. And I added some washi tape and a little sticker, and then I just put my YouTube information on the back of that one. And I do have some tiny sequin at the corner, and I use stickles on the seeds. And I'm also sharing some of my dewdrops, and I've decided to send a watermelon theme with the black, the green, and the pink dewdrop colors. But once again, that is my VR for Tanya over at sidegigcrafts. Check her out, join her fun and easy challenge. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.